Hello, my name is Rosanna White, and I'm the owner of I for Marketing, Illustrating Your Brand. I for Marketing focuses on branding and web design, but I love helping people, and I often get requests to shoot a video on something that people need help with. Today, I've recently got a request to do a video on how to change your name on Facebook. So today's video is going to be a step-by-step on going through the process of changing your name on Facebook. All right, this is actually really easy to do. So follow my little cursor and you're gonna go to the top right of your profile on Facebook. You see a little arrow here. You're gonna click on the arrow and you're gonna go to Settings and Privacy. Click Settings, hit Edit, and you're gonna edit to the name that you want it to be. Now, read all the paragraph that's on there. It says, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So keep in mind that you're going to keep this, make sure it's the one that you want to be visible on Facebook. That's it. So you click that, review change, and then you're done. That's simple. Okay. There you have it. Those are the steps. Hopefully you were able to follow along. Hopefully it worked for you. Reach out anytime you need something, and I'd be more than happy to do a step-by-step video for you. Again, my name is Rosanna White from I for Marketing, Illustrating Your Brand.